I've woken from my slumber. What time is it? 8. Okay. Oh.
We're making breakfast. Oh, yeah. Oatmeal. That's good.
Pine needle.
Pine needle pancakes. Dad's trying to make coffee. It is making coffee.
Trying to get the grounds out of there.
He's not a true cowboy.
Got an elk antler.
You can see where it's been chewed on by mice and rodents. Whatever needs a little bit of nutrition. It's beautiful.
So we were walking down the river and we found, or actually up the river, an amazing swimming spot. Like, oh my goodness, my feet hurt so bad. Ow. Ow. Oh. Ooh. Ah.
This is where your blood vessels constrict.
Yeah. But yeah, this is really beautiful. Ow. 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 Ow.
No, it's gonna happen to turn blue.
Well, that's what happens before the red starts to appear.
Oh, now they're turning red.
Yeah. Is it starting
Are you
to...
feeling better?
A little bit?
A little bit. I can't feel anything anymore.
That's it. And then they start to feel warm.
Oh yeah, it feels warm now.
Aha moment.
Oh, now it's back again.
Nice.
This has got to be good for the feet.
Oh yeah.
Ah!
Isn't this crazy? This comes off the top of a mountain.
Yeah, it is crazy. It doesn't hurt anymore.
Yeah. Eventually it'll go numb.
It just feels like my feet are dying.
It could be a little bit. You know, I'm just gonna hold this because I know it's...
Oh wait, Tom. Montage. Beautiful.
I wonder if there's fish in there. Is there fish in there? Oh wow, I can actually see underneath because of I can see the screen of the GoPro.
Look how pretty this is, y'all. Got that blue-green water over there. It's beautiful out here. Tom's got his stick. What do you think of the river, Tom?
Well, it provided a walking stick for me. I'm very grateful.
So if we ever come back here again,
Yeah.
this is a nice little camping spot right here.
Hey, fish!
Get it, Dad.
Yeah, but this would be a nice camping spot. You know, you got your sitting log here, you got your walking log here. We made it back from our adventure. Dad's taking a nap in the hammock.
We haven't gone to nature yet. We live in nature right now.
We're packing up again. Get ready to cross the creek.
Just to suffer.
Hey, I got doggy bags.
Here's what we do. We put one on each foot and we go across.
Alright, we're getting ready to go. We got our backpacks on. Right now we're the only ones on this island.
We're doing things today.
The beginning of the journey.
Here we go.
Oh, almost to the knees. Basically to the knees. Alright.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, buddy. We did it. Alright, we had our meal. We got over, we had some beans, had some little sweet treats. I'm going barefoot because I'm going to try it. Because also my shoes are still wet from me falling in the river and then deciding, you know what, since they're wet, I'm gonna wade in the river. But now because of that, they are still wet, so. Anyway, goodbye little camping spots. What?
This is like Mildred Lakes.
Yeah, this is just like Mildred Lakes. Except we did that for about 3/4 of a mile. There she goes. She's going up. My toes are gripping. There we go. And you can actually follow this trail that way. It'll take you pretty much all the way to the end of the river, where it starts up in the Olympics. Okay, let the journey begin. Oh, there's rocks. Update, I'll put socks on. It helps a little bit with the impending doom of pointy rocks. Oh, right on the ball of the foot right there. Wow. All right, dropping the excess weight.
I don't know.
Time to go down. We're on the moves here. Oh. Oh wow. Look at that. You gotta step on it. No, it's like shale.
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of actually. It is clay.
Just hardened clay.
Look at that.
That's real clay.
This is so good for your skin though. Oh yeah. Oh.
You guys are weird.
Dude, smell that. Smells like soap.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Minerals.
Oh, I gotta take some of this home.
Alright, I'm gonna go investigate this pool over here. Oh my goodness, that's super slippery. Oh, I bet that's what this is. I bet it's clay. Ow. Whoa. You guys gotta see this.
I'm coming.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, super slippery out here, guys.
But this whole entire thing, it's like a 3-4 foot pool and underneath is just clay.
Oh man.
I gotta get this.
We're in a good place to camp.
Wow.
Clay on her face, isn't that cool?
It's blue.
It is blue.
Oh wow.
Your eyes blue.
Yeah, this looks blue.
That's what it is. This is a special kind of clay.
Okay, I'm gonna try and move out. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, I am on flat ground right now. I'm moving. I'm moving. Okay, so it actually gets much deeper over here. It has a bit of a drop off here.
I can see that.
Yeah, I couldn't.
Definitely get wetter.
Oh yeah. We need. Okay, I'm
We should
making.
get all grayed up, hike out of here.
Yes, yes, I agree. I agree. Okay, new mission. Okay, I gotta find clay.
Yeah, I'm smearing.
All right, it's time for the smearing. You got clay.
Oh yes, mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am. Wait, is that? Oh, it's curved. Dang it.
Don't you made it worse.
No. I need more.
Can't see what
Yes. Do it. I'm out here living the life.
Look at me.
Look at you. I need more clay.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh yeah!
That's the good stuff.
Oh, that's
I
awesome.
can carve things. I can make stuff.
We are living the life right now. That's what we're doing. We live in the
look
life.
at me.
We out here. It's spa day.
Spa day. Spa day.
Some people came and looked over here and went away.
I can do this on my legs.
Okay, we need more clay. Any? What is it? What is it?
I can't wait till this.
My legs are warm, bro.
I forgot that
Oh no. My eyebrows, they're all covered.
Oh yeah, eyebrow.
Yes. Genius.
Oh my goodness, my face, I can't move it.
Yeah, I missed the spot.
I wonder if you can eat this.
Oh, probably good. You got me.
I mean,
We are one with nature. Something touched my toe.
I am one. Wait, Tommy.
I don't want to taste it. I think I'm okay.
Oh my goodness, I can't move
That's probably.
my face.
This is.
Stiff, doesn't it?
Is there something? Maybe there was a sign at the beginning of the trailer where Miss said, "Do not mess with the clay." Maybe those help me grow a beard. You know, I did not think about it till now, but what about when we get in the car?
About it.
Might be a little sticky. When we enter civilization,
We
Clay.
can go get some Taco
Actually,
Bell.
when
It'll
we
be fine.
sweat,
All right, we're gonna be known as the blue folk.
we're gonna make people aggressive. Just they'll look at us and they'll just get all like primal, you know.
I mean, like, this is what Indians do when mosquitoes are going rampant.
Some Indian chief was like in a spirit, and he came back. He's like, guys, I know what to do.
We
Follow
rub.
me to the river.
Well, they said to go to the river to get cleansed.
Yeah.
We're getting cleansed right now.
My eyebrows.
Freaks, freaks, freaks. Okay, now we look like native people.
Hey, fish.
Grab it! Grab it! We need
Grab
to
it.
eat.
We need to eat, Dad.
Lure him into my trap.
Oh, I see him.
Oh my goodness, you're hurt. Oh my goodness. Blue jay.
There he is.
I want to meet some people on the trail now, too.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad you guys are more socially acceptable about this whole ordeal.
It bothers you?
Yeah.
Every time I smile, I hear cracking noises. This is
What it is.
sunscreen.
Exactly what it is.
We're out here in the jungle. So much clay. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Now we got the whole 9 yards.
Oh, you look like you've been out in the wilderness for a while.
Oh yeah, smear it.
There we go.
We all look like we got problems.
What do you say, Tom?
No, this is awesome. This is how people should live. Okay.
We got food. Day in the life of a Indian blueberry fig bar? Is this a blueberry fig bar? Tom's over there doing something.
Joy is expounding.
No.
We got people, some people swimming. We don't know if they're guys or girls. I want to make that very clear, because they're too far away. But from our point of view, we think they're skimming to be. I'm just excited that there's other freaks in the world. We cover ourselves in clay. They uncover themselves in clay. Ugh.
Well, we made it to the top of the climb. Now we're going down. There's the river down there. Doesn't look right for you to have socks on. And my reptile skin is shedding. Oh, look, guys.
Oregon grapes.
Oregon grapes.
Get the juices on it. Sour, right?
That's like sourer than a lemon.
Yeah.
My heel.
Bro, do you realize it's on your head?
What?
We're almost back. I can see the road and the cars. Made it back. Oh my goodness, Tom, I have to get a picture of you.
Oh yeah. This is our method to get out of the terror pass.
No.
Yes. Every single place we go, could not find payment box. Just stick it out there.
Park right next
They'll
to it.
never know. We'll park right next to the payment box.
Back up into it.
Put this. We'll back up into the payment box. We'll put could not find payment box. And guess what? We won't get a ticket.
That's not necessarily true.
Why? So serious?
Tom, I think you are low on blood sugar.
Yeah, I think so too.
Low on it? I'm low?
You're the problem.
I'm the problem?
Oh, also some dude came up to us and was like, hey, do you guys need some wipes?
Dude wipes.
I don't know why he thought that. I think we all smell a bit like